County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren
County, northwestern New Jersey.
Somerset County, east central Lehigh County,
Goodness, what the heck?
Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County,
Oh my God.
southeastern Pennsylvania,
SBR!
Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm.
Okay, what the heck?
Miles per hour.
That makes up 39?
hazard 60 miles
Source,
per hour.
radar indicated.
Source.
Encounter line if possible. Locations in Texas include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Wilson, Washington, Alpha, Glen Gardner, Glendale, and Belfast. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
The storm is hitting me.
conditions to damaging winds on the lowest floor of the building. For your protection, move to an interior. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. Damaging winds, frequent. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunter, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Oh, double hitter! Oh my gosh, what the heck?
In the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Alright, what the heck? SMW.
Issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 7:45
Central Long
p.m.
Island Sound.
At 6:40 p.m., a gust front was located over Bridgeport, moving eastward 35 knots.
What the heck?
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source,
Alright, what the
radar
heck?
indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged.
It's getting windy
Higher
outside.
winds and suddenly higher waves. The gust front will be near Stratford Shoal and mouth of the Housatonic River around 6:45 p.m.
My
Harrod
God.
Point around 7:30 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. High waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.